A classy smoky eye is always the eye-catching one, including the glitter as well. Today, we are going to recreate this. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Yadvinder. Today we are going to create that classy smoky eye with some glitter. For that, I'm just prepping my eyelids using some concealer to clean up underneath. And next, I'm using some loose powder to set in that concealer from preventing it to settle in all those fine lines and crease, especially under eyes and above the eyelids. After setting the entire lid space with powder, it's now time to create that magic. So for that, I'm first taking this transition shadow. This is the light brown color as I'm showing on the screen. I'm taking this as my transition shadow. I'm using a small pencil brush to build my transition, and I'm going to take small amounts and going to make it as a transition shadow, and you can see this is going to be looking very seamless. This is going to look very subtle yet very eye-catching. So you have to take it and start blending. I'm using small blending brush or pencil brush for this. Slowly, gradually, that transition is going to be formed, as you can see. Black smoky eye is always my go-to thing. It goes with anything and I love to create it. So after creating that transition shadow, next I'm going to put the dark brown color in the outer V area. I'm using a big flat shader brush to just pack in the color in the outer part of my eye. You can see that how I am doing this. I'm just packing the color in the form of V in the outer part and just placing that color, not blending yet, just placing there. Up next, I'm taking some of the black eyeshadow with the same brush and I'm going to pack it in the same way as I did with the another transition shadow, which is brown. After packing these two color, now it's time to blend these. So basically for blending these two color, I'm not going to go on and off in the round motion. I'm just going to pack the color in the outer corner of my eye. I'm going to just spread it all across in my outer part. That way it is going to form an ombre and it's going to be blending beautifully. After blending these two, I'm taking dark brown in the outer third part of the eye with the same brush, and I'm going to blend this as well with another eyeshadows that I have applied previously. And this eye look is transforming really beautifully. I love to create these looks and I love to experiment. So please tell me in the comment sections that which look do you want to see next on my channel. I would love to create that. After blending this color and the entire lid space, I'm using the same brush on my lower lash line. Whatever was left is going to be there on my lower lash line. And now I'm going to apply the kajal. You can apply the gel eyeliner, you can apply the black base as well, what have you. You can apply anything according to your choice. Here I'm applying kajal because for me it's more convenient to use with my hands. So yeah, if I have to create smoky eye, I always go with kajal. And I've applied this in the 1/3 part of my eye and packing that with brown. And next I'm going to blend that black coal in rest of my eye. That way it is going to form a beautiful ombre of colors and going to give us a beautiful transition in the outer part, an intense look in the middle and the front part of the eye. Same way, I'm not just blending it, I'm just spreading the color and buffing it outwards with the same pencil brush. The reason that I'm using the same brushes is because these brushes is going to have some of the eyeshadows left on it. Hence, it's going to be easy for you to blend. When you take new shadow or new brush, sometimes it's difficult to blend with that. So after blending, you can see how beautiful ombre this has given to the look. And in order to have that final touch and eye-catching moment, I'm going to apply that glitter using my finger to the 1/3 part of my eye. And that glitter has just added to the look, and this smoky eye has turned out to be more eye-catching and to be more signature. In order to finish up, I have applied the kajal in lower lash line to match up the upper lash line, and I'm going to blend and diffuse this with dark brown eyeshadow on the flat shader brush in my lower lash line. And yeah, after blending, I've applied the lashes, and this is the finished look. I absolutely love this because I always love smoky eye, and this time I've added glitter to it. And if you have enjoyed my video, please consider subscribing, like and share to the channel, and stay tuned. Always comment what you guys want to see next. And till then, stay tuned and I will be back with another video. Bye guys.